Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Muskan from the vlogging group of Sarsajat Lagari, and today I'm here to talk on a topic. If you want a wealth in your life, if you want a happiness in your life, if you want to change something around you, you have to change yourself first, otherwise it never changes. So topic today is change. From the last 6,000 years, some things have not changed. Next season will be winter. Now summer is going on. Which will be the next season? Winter. Summer is followed by the winter. Winter is followed by the summer. This is the process. Morning after night, night after the morning. This is the process. Opportunities mixed with difficulty, or you can say difficulties mixed with opportunity. So nothing has changed since the last 6,000 years. So here a big question arises that if these things have not changed from the last 6,000 years, so how can our life will change? So this is a very basic question. I answer it over and over again that when you will change yourself, everything will be changed for you. Friends, life and business is like a change in a seasons. You cannot change the seasons, but you can change yourself according to the seasons. You have no control that how cold or hot it will be, but you can change yourself according to the winter and summer. So life cannot change by chance, life can change by the choice. So today you have a choice to change yourself, and guys, believe me, world is changing day by day. And as much as the world has changed in these last 22 years, I think it has not changed in last 200 years. Your way of dress up has changed. Your mobile phones has changed, your hairstyles has changed, your televisions, refrigerators, everything around you has changed. But you will be shocked to know this, that method of earning or earning money, that has not changed. You have a still 9 to 5 job or traditional business from where you can earn money. They are not changing. Why? But you want a change in them. But you don't want to change your time management. Means you are comfortable in this job, or you are comfortable in this 9 to 5 timing, but you want a change in your salary. So how is it possible without change, bringing change in yourself? Is it possible to change your salary? No. So if you will not update your knowledge, your salary will not change. Means you have outdated knowledge, so how can you think that someone will give you a more salary on this knowledge? If you want to change your salary, so first you have to bring change in your knowledge, update your knowledge, and make your value. Be a valuable person with updated knowledge. That will bring a change in your life, and then you will be able to be there where you want to be and what you want to gain from your life. So this is the message of today's video, that change yourself in this today's world, because I think that we are standing in the best time of this world. As you update your mobile phone softwares to make it work properly, in the same way you have to update yourself to work in a new way, to create something new, to spend your life as you want. So bring changes in you for yourself, not for the others. Okay? As people are changing their mobile phones because new version of mobile phones are coming, in the same way, if you will not update yourself, if you will not bring changes in you, so people will try to exchange you with another one, because this is a changing world. So this all from my side to all of you, that you have to change yourself for yourself. You don't have to go to someone else that tell me that what should I change and me. So they will not tell you only one thing, that you should change this thing. They will tell you 100 things, because people are master and taking out the defaults and loopholes from the others. So they will tell you a lot of things, that you should change this thing, you should change this thing in you. So you don't have to do that thing. You have to think about yourself. You have to realize yourself that what should change, you should bring in yourself. So this is the point. Because just knowing about the right path, that this is the right path, cannot bring a change in you. But by following that path, that can bring a change in you. So this is all from my side. Now now I just want a comment from your side that what you think that thing should be a change, that change you should bring in yourself. So comment me in a comment box. Thanks so much.